Doctor, why flu cause cough?
Flu causes cough because the influenza virus infects the respiratory tract, particularly the lining of the airways. This infection triggers the body's immune response, leading to inflammation and irritation of the airways. The body tries to expel the mucus and foreign particles, resulting in a cough to clear the air passages.
Doctor, why flu causes runny nose?
Flu causes a runny nose as the influenza virus infects the nasal passages and respiratory tract. This infection leads to inflammation and increased mucus production in the nasal lining. The excess mucus is the body's way of trapping and removing the virus particles, resulting in a runny or stuffy nose.